Just click on the file to open. You can see this file consists of 4 pages. Then for deleting any page, click on tool. You can see the organize page option. You can click on this down arrow, click on open. You can see four you can see this file has been organized separately. You can see delete option for the first page, rotate option for the first page. You can see delete option for the second page, rotate option for the second page. Similarly, you can see option for the other pages. So to delete first page, click on delete option. It is asking, are you sure you want to delete the page from the document? Click on OK. Then click on close. Now you can see the first page has been removed. It shows. Now you can see the document consists of 3 pages only. It means the first page has been deleted. You can save if you wish to save this file by clicking on the save button.